Hello everybody. Today I will explain you part 1 of exercise 12.3 of class 10 chapter area related to circles. The first question is find the area of the shaded part if PQ is 24 centimeter, PR is equal 7 centimeter and O is the center of the circle. We know any angle on the semicircle is 90 degree. Therefore, QPR is equal to 90 degree. Now, by Pythagoras theorem, it is QR square is equal to PQ square plus PR square. Okay. In this way, we can get the QR is equal under root 24 square plus 7 square is equal to under root 625, that is equal to 25 centimeter. Okay. So radius of the circle is PQR is 25. So radius is half of this 25 upon 2 centimeter. Area of shaded portion, that is the area of semicircle minus area of triangle. That is area of semicircle minus area of this right angle triangle. Half area of semicircle is half pi r square minus half into base into height. So it is half common pi r square minus base into height, 24 into 7. By calculation it is coming as 4523 upon 28. It is equal to 161.54 centimeter square. Area of the shaded part. Question number 2. Find the area of the shaded region if radii of the two concentric circles with center O are 7 centimeter and 14 centimeter respectively, and angle AOC is equal to 40 degree. AOC, this one angle is 40 degree. Are 7 centimeter and 14 centimeter. That means it is radii are 7 centimeter and 14 centimeter respectively, and angle AOC is 40 degree. Now solution, area of the shaded region, this one A, B, D, C, this part. Okay. Now theta upon 360 pi r2 square minus theta upon 360 pi r1 square, this one. It's okay. Area of shaded part theta upon 360 pi r square is the inside one, and theta upon 360 pi r2 square. So it is equal to theta upon 360 pi is common, r2 square minus r1 square. Now by calculation it is coming 1 upon 9 into 22 upon 7 into a plus b a minus b. By identity you have to find it. That is equal to 51.33 centimeter square. Question number 3. Find the area of the shaded region if ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter and APD and BPC are semicircles. Now it is the area of square minus area of two semicircles is equal to area of shaded part. So area of shaded part equal area of square minus 2 into area of semicircles. Area of square is 14 square and area of this semicircle is 2 into 2 semicircles, so 2 into half pi r square. R is 7 upon 2. So sorry, R is 7. It is 14, so its half is 7. 196 minus 154, it is equal to 42 centimeter square. Question number 4. Find the area of the shaded region in the figure where a circular arc of radius 6 centimeter has been drawn with vertex O of an equilateral triangle OAB of side 12 centimeter as center. Area of the circle is pi r square. R is 6, So pi r square is equal 792 upon 7 centimeter square. Now area of equilateral triangle OAB, that is root 3 upon 4 a square, that is equal to 36 root 3 centimeter square. Now area of circle and area of triangle, this much area OCD, this much area 2 time I have calculated, so 1 time we have to subtract here. So it is area of sector OCD, it is theta upon 360 pi r square, it is 132 upon 7 centimeter square. Okay, this much part only. Now required area of the shaded portion, that is the area of circle plus area of triangle OAB minus area of sector OCD, that is 792 upon 7 that we have got already, plus 36 root 3 upon 1 as a for LCM I have taken as 1, minus this one, it is 132 upon 7. So by calculation it is coming 32.01 centimeter square. Question number 5. From each corner of a square of side 4 centimeter, a quadrant of a circle of radius 1 centimeter is cut, and also a circle of diameter 2 centimeter is cut as shown in figure. Find the area of the remaining portion of the square. Now 4 quadrant of radius 1 centimeter will cut, and at the center there is a circle of radius diameter 2 centimeters, radius 1 centimeter. Okay, now we have to find the area of the shaded portion. Area of the shaded region is equal to area of the square minus area of circle, this one circle, plus 4 into area of quadrant. So, okay, so it is area of square is 4 into 4 side square, minus it is area of circle pi r square, and it is 4 times area of quadrant 1/4 pi r square into 4. 16 minus it is pi r square, and 4 cancel pi r square, it is 2 pi r square. So 16 minus 2 into pi into 1, that is equal to 9.72 centimeter square. Thank you very much.